In this video, I'll guide you through how to cancel your Typeform account. Whether you've decided to switch to a different service or simply don't require Typeform anymore, this step-by-step tutorial will ensure you can close your account smoothly and efficiently. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to typeform.com. It's essential to make sure you're logged in to your account. If you aren't, you'll need to enter your login credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're on the Typeform homepage, you should see your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and give that a click. Clicking on your profile icon will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Account Settings. This is where you'll find all the necessary details related to your account, including personal information, billing details, and other critical settings. Once you're in the account settings section, scroll down until you find the option to delete your account. It's usually towards the bottom of the page, so keep an eye out for it as you scroll. When you see the delete account button, click on it. Now, this step is crucial, and it's worth taking a moment to consider if you want to proceed. Deleting your Typeform account is irreversible, and you'll lose all your forms, data, and any settings you've configured. So make sure you've backed up any necessary information before continuing. After you click on Delete Account, Typeform might ask you to confirm your decision. This is a standard procedure to ensure that you're aware of the consequences of deleting your account. Follow the prompts to confirm your choice, and your account will be scheduled for deletion. You might receive a confirmation email notifying you that your account has been successfully deleted. So be sure to check your inbox or spam folder for that. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through the process of canceling your Typeform account. Remember, if you ever decide to return to Typeform in the future, you'll need to start from scratch with a new account. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, feel free to leave a like or a comment below. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Have a great day.